Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about CORSAIR XENEON FLEX 45-inch Bendable OLED Gaming Monitor. So friends, it is now available for pre-order for 2000 USD dollar. And friends, it is the world's first 45-inch 21 9 Bendable OLED Gaming Monitor, and it is the inspired PC Enthusiast and Gamer imagination with its extraordinary combination of W-OLED technology, 21:9 aspect ratio, 45-inch size, 240 Hz, and amazing ability to bend from fully flat to up to 800 curvature. And it is the culmination of CORSAIR engineering expertise and cutting-edge W-OLED technology to create a whole new class of monitor. And friend, with a 45-inch 3440 into 1440 aspect ratio display, it delivers a cinematic display experience that is well suited for work. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.